catching feelings, baby.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my
so this is the final look of the hair. This is the 18-inch V-part wig from Brennas hair, and this is what it looks like. It looks super cute, super natural. My hair is doing its own thing, but as you guys saw, I use a minimum leave out, so it is short hair friendly, y'all. I don't know what's going on with my hair, but these front pieces are not as long as the middle pieces, but it's okay. It worked out. As you guys can see, it is covered. You don't need a lot of leave out for this type of wig. It is a body wave texture. It was super easy to install. It was already body wave, so all I did was add some curls to the front, and this is what it looks like. If you guys are interested in this wig, use my code Keandra for some money off, and I'll have all the links for this hair in the description box below. I want to thank them for sending me this hair to review, and until next time, bye guys.